I got a bad feeling about this.
HG Films.
Okay, so I'm with Tomasz already. We arrived with this Saab 95 Aero to another garage which is just behind me, and just to have a few things we need spring compressors, and we need I don't know how it's called, air hammer. One is for smashing my sound isolation on the compact to remove it completely, and another thing is spring compressors, because we found some red custom aftermarket springs, H&R or something like that, so we're putting them into the car also. So let's go take it now. Okay, so enough having fun and riding on a turbo Saab, and let's continue with the compact. So first of all, I'm going to change the springs into some performance ones. On the full lock, it's almost ripping. I think it's not from compact.
I think you don't need it.
Of course I don't need it.
So that's the safest way. Only experts can do it like that. Yeah, fine. You almost burned the seat.
So the car is already lowered. We put some aftermarket springs. Red ones, might be something like
TA Technics.
TA Technics, you think?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, like TA Technics or H&R, I don't know, something like that. It's quite low. Of course, now I will be removing all the trimmings from the back, from the interior also, the carpets and stuff like that, to lose the weight, and I think it will lift up a bit. Also, what we did, I don't think if it's visible now, there is some camber, as you see. I don't know if it's visible. If you know, there is one small modification which you can do. On the wheel there are three bolts which are holding your shock absorber, and there are two small bolts on the bottom and one on the top, and if you just put a few washers, two washers under the between the shock absorber and your wheel hub,
Yep.
then you get some camber, like 2 degrees or 3 degrees, something like that. So it's also quite good, because your wheels will be more straight when they are on a full lock, so you will get more grip. Yep, so let's continue now with the interior, and let's just rip everything out, put the bucket seat in, this one. Also we have some kind of strut bar for the back. And what else?
I don't know, that's all. Just make it lightweight.
Yeah, let's make it lightweight. Let's put racing seat and remove everything.
And the Volkswagen wheel covers. Best performance ever.
Okay. We're now removing all the parts, and on every step we see that actually this chassis is in really good condition. It's not rusted in... Oh, actually nowhere. It's really good condition. I was even now telling Thomas that if this car wouldn't be crashed in the beginning, I maybe would keep it as a daily. Low mileage, no rust, clean, nice interior. Already have a booking for some parts to be sold from this interior. So it's crazy. I'm keeping some pieces of carpet. I'm keeping the pieces which are in the front, where my legs are, for the legs room. Because the floor is really curvy and it just feels very uncomfortable when you remove fully. So I'm just leaving it here. Okay, so let's have some chill time. Woo! We are removing the sound insulation. So if you ever thought how to do this, air hammer is the best. We removed all the sound deadening and sprayed it in black a bit so it would look more nice, more comfortable, I know how to say it. And we already mounted a racing seat, so it's much better now. I would need some steering wheel also in the future, but for the current moment, yeah, I think it looks nice, like this.
It looks real nice.
Yeah, it's cool.
What's up?
So it's almost a race car now.
Yeah.
Yeah, the seat makes it look a little better. And yeah, one more thing here is not here. Wait, what? Wow, here. Here we have a whole box. I know, like this sound deadening weighs something like how much? 15, 20, 15 maybe.
I think 10.
Huh?
I think 10.
More like 10, but yeah, but it's quite heavy, so it's still something. So we definitely lost some weight. We also have a huge pile of other things here. All the parts from CUNTPACK. Other seats originally, which were here. Panels, seats, stuff like that.
Shit like that.
Yeah. Also, trunk is now all empty. No more crap. Nice. Okay, so another day.
It's over?
Yeah, it's over with CUNTPACK. We are exhausted and tired, and we're going to relax already. And so, what we did today?
We put our bucket seat, we make it lightweight, we removed all the sound deadening. Yeah, we
lowered it.
Yeah, lower it by some high quality springs.
Yeah.
And that's all probably.
That's probably all. Yeah, we lost some weight.
We made more camber.
We made a bit more camber, yeah, the cheap way. And yeah, so next day it should be already welding the diff.
Yeah, making more steering lock.
Hope so. We will make it.
And put their new exhaust, which I can show you.
Yeah, we have we have found some fart can. This one, yeah, this
We have
is.
a great example of plush exhaust
It's plush.
from Scrapyard. It should sound really cool. It's performance exhaust system. It's written there.
Yeah, performance. Yeah, it's performance exhaust system by the name of plush. Sounds very performance.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, thank you for watching.
See you next time.
Yeah, another episode. So please subscribe down there and wait for another episode. You will be informed if you subscribe. So thanks again. Bye.